Hi folks, here's a tip that might be helpful to you. I've got this chicken coop out here. It weighs quite a bit, so I don't want to lift it by hand, but I've had a flat tire, which is a whole other story. Don't put pneumatic wheels on something you're rolling around a pasture. I learned the hard way. So, I needed a jack to lift this thing up, and really, the only thing that works well is a car jack. And I had one of these lying around for some reason, so I decided to actually modify it so I can easily do this because I didn't have the handle anymore. And so I basically took a bolt, put the bolt through this piece here. I used 3 nuts and some washers, an eye bolt, and 2 more nuts. So now I can use my my drill driver or an impact driver and spin this thing up and down very easily. It works really well. And it's fast. And I've been having to use this thing up and down a little bit pretty often. So I was really pleased how this turned out. And maybe this is a drill drive adapter that you might find useful sometime in the future. Good luck. Saving Miller out.